Have you seen that old man with a grin from ear to ear? Old pork pie hat and a bottle full of beer. Someone else's guitar singing in his hand, taking his songs far and wide across the land. Old John Hurt, he'd been here and gone, left us here to sing his songs. Candyman, my Candyman, oh Candyman, dear Candyman, Candyman, my Candyman. I'd do anything to bring my Candyman home. Payday for the Candyman came along once in a while, for cigarettes and liquor just enough to make him smile. Sunhouse, Skip and Booker sat listening to him play, and the next generation tried to learn the John Hurt way. Old John Hurt, he'd been here and gone, left us here to sing his songs. Candyman, my Candyman, oh Candyman, dear Candyman, Candyman, my Candyman. I'd do anything to bring my Candyman home. Led him to rest down in old Avalon. Never needed nobody, just played his blues alone. Never had no agenda, never had no big plan, but the world will remember the old Candyman. Old John Hurt, he'd been here and gone, left us here to sing his songs. Candyman, my Candyman, oh Candyman, dear Candyman, Candyman, my Candyman. I'd do anything to bring my Candyman home. Candyman, my Candyman, oh Candyman, dear Candyman, Candyman, my Candyman. And I'd do anything to bring my Candyman home. you seen that old man with a grin from ear to ear? Old pork pie hat and a bottle full of beer. Someone else's guitar singing in his hand.